So considering that this cast iron wasn't as bad as the first cast iron, it's going to clean off very well, which is pretty good because I don't have a lot of water. I'm using the rest of my gallon, so I got like a quarter gallon of water, and it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Currently raining right now. Well, sprinkling, but it shouldn't be sprinkling at all at this current point in time, but it is. And we're trying to figure out what we can do in terms of cooking. And I see that there's benches here. And if I can get underneath, yeah, underneath this tree here, we're good. It's just cold. That's not too bad. Okay, it's a little bit of a walk. Just a little bit of a walk, but we can make this happen. We can make this happen right here. Okay. So right now, all I've got to do is get the food out. And let's go. I mean, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen for the sake of all this protein. I'm down with it. Can't get it right. Can't get it right. I can't catch my breath. Gotta practice. But gotta cook too. Finger foods. I'm glad you brought the lighter. So I was like, oh no, we don't have a lighter. You brought 2 lighters.
I just brought the whole thing.
You brought the whole thing.
All right,
Oh
so
no.
What kind of products I got?
Huh?
What kind of products I got?
What kind of products? You got the fish. Take that butter out and then just wipe it out. Do we have paper towels?
We're supposed to prepare everything. No, we don't have paper towels.
I see we have a bunch of a bunch of cloth stuff.
Yeah.
From Walmart. Hey, Kimba. Hey, Kimba. I just want to visit some of these places myself, you know. You know, you eat something a little more higher quality, and you're like, oh, I'm not sick at all.
What's this one?
So we essentially cooked everything. Are we gonna make rice though?
We probably should.
Probably should. We'll make some rice. There's a. So I didn't read the ingredients yesterday, but pork tenderloin wrapped in bacon, stuffed with shrimp, sausage, and pepper jack cheese. Now that's gonna be an adventure of its own. So we're gonna get into that. We got a lot of meat, a lot of beef. We got some shrimp, some coconut shrimp, burger patties that we just have it. It's not raw anymore. It's cooked. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Making sure I was still recording because I can't do a second take of this. We're almost done. Trash, clean up. We'll clean up in a little bit. And that'll.
Cover it again.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a couple. We got a couple plates.
How many
worth.
quarts?
How many quarts is that?
Oh, it doesn't say.
Doesn't say. But we got whatever this is. We got it. Two full ones, and it's just
Meal prep at the park.
Meal prep at the park. It's something to clean up. So that's kind of the end of the day. It was a bunch. We were able to cook most of the food. Some of that meat wasn't good. Some of the fish wasn't good. Some of the beef wasn't good. But we cooked most of it. Got rice, and I have food for a couple days, which is pretty cool. I'm going to end it here. I gotta get some more water. I gotta reset my van, and that's about it. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do the roadie pretty early. If I can get up, if I can be up at 6 a.m., that's all I'm trying to do. So, and like up, so like the alarm's got to go off at 5:30, 5 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock and 5:30. So I got to go to sleep pretty soon. Pretty excited for that. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.